The biggest difference between motocross and enduro for me is just the head-to-head aggression. It's you against the clock, and you don't have to worry about any other guys on the track. So you can really take all your own lines and just be really smooth.
Hello, I'm Nathan Watson, I'm 21 and I'm riding for Red Bull KTM Factory Enduro. At the beginning of this year I spent a lot of time in Italy riding some difficult terrain, doing some proper tough enduro with my trainer Christoph. He's pushing us really hard, so I've done a lot of time on the bike, so I think the winter season's been pretty good.
I'm Christophe Nambetin. I come from France. Yes, last year I finished second, so it was difficult to accept to lose the title. For the new season, I have a big motivation to take again a first position. So.
My name is Ivan Cervantes. I come from Cambrils, Tarragona. Well, last year is really difficult for me. I broke everything in my shoulder. 3 months of my recovery with my shoulder. I broke my ligaments of my knee. I'm very good now. I'm 100%. I am starting in the Spanish Championship with the second position, and it's good for me.